Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ragil Akbar Wijaya, and today I would share my knowledge about tutorial about Mendeley and about how we cite an article, a book chapter, or even a conference article. First, let we start from the Mendeley. I'm asking permission to share my screen right here. Yep. First, you need to what is called own the article that you need for for use for you to use as a reference in your what is called writing. But if you have an article, after you have an article, you have to create in Mendeley. You have to create a collection project right here, add new, and you import your article, book chapter or book, anything you need to support your writing process to this at this import file from computer right here. Since we already uploaded to Mendeley Reference Manager right here, it's the name of the apps that we use to help us. We already make, and it calls Ragil right here. My name. I use I use a book and sort of and sort of. Okay, let's get to the case of why we create this video, the tutorial, right? Okay, permission to share my Microsoft Word. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I will provide you an example how to cite four types of citation that we could use at Mendeley Reference Manager. The first is a single citation, second is merge citation, third is citation with page, and bibliography. Okay, first, for the single citation, all you need is to, for example, we start from home, we click the references right here, and then we look for what article that we need to cite. For example, I will use this Akalin and Akbarov with the title using humor in EFL context like this. And then I'm just insert my citation and just poof, right there. That is single citation. How about merge citation, ladies and gentlemen? For merge citation, we use more than one source as our citation. We cite more than one source. And for the example, I will use this article, and then this article, and then insert, just like that, easy peasy, ladies and gentlemen. And for citation with page, this is interesting because you will cite a book, but for the easy to look from the reader, you had to include the page of your book, right? And then for this, I will use this book for Brueging 2025 about teaching reading comprehension. And then you click this. After that, you had to, for this page, you click the value and you insert what page that you cite from. For example, I will use 27 page. And then I type challenges and I said insert citation. Like that. Brueging et al. 2025 from page 27. And for the bibliography, it's also interesting because you will provide any information that you use in previous citation. You click this three dot right here and insert the bibliography. Keep live updates, and then you click continue, just like that. How easy we could provide a source for the reader from the Mendeley Reference Manager. It's so easy and it's so helpful for us. And maybe that's it. My name is Ragil Akbarjaya. Thank you for watching this video. And I, with sincere, doing this task. My name is Ragil Akbarjaya. Thank you very much. Good night.